Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Defining love, catches smoke ngemva kokuthi abantu abaningi bakhulume ngokuthi ngazuthi leya channel iqalekisiwe. Oh, this is after kuhlukane uHungani and uStefani, and people are now noticing ukuthi why ngazuthi yonke couple leya lapha ku defining love igcina ihlukene, or some are getting divorced, labanye bayahlukana nje batibude ukuthi we ayikwendakalani lapha kuleya channel. So people are saying ukuthi it seems ngazuthi leya channel nje ikhesiwe once naye laphana neyodefine alithando lweni natshelana ukuthi nithandzana kangakanani, or it's the end, it's try for that relationship, it's try for that marriage, because angeke uze nje usalasta. So people are now saying ukuthi uStefani and uHungana now getting a divorce, uMo and uThato bahlukana nabo, and then uKuhle na this girl lo bekashade naye, they are also getting a divorce. So people are now saying ukuthi wait, it seems like yonke couple lapha it just ends in tears. So now people are saying ukuthi Nkosi yami lokhu kungendeki pretty ugly nabondle, because siyabona ukuthi ngazuthi lento njena ihamba ngelayini. So ngibone leya YouTube channel Defining Love ikhiphe i-video, I think it's 2 days back if not 3 days back, la ikhuluma khona ukuthi is it the end of the channel, why bonke abantu labafika la kule channel yethu bayahlukana. I didn't really watch that video, but ngiyibonile nje ukuthi abakhiphe i-video. Lokho nto abantu abaningi ba-comment under that video, abantu abaningi basho ukuthi hey vele nigcinisele ngaze niyivale, hayi kuyabhetha. Wonke umuntu nje lota la kule show yenu nini uyahlukana, wonke umuntu lota la to define uthando lakhe bayadivorsa. Le show lena nje vele it seems ngazuthi iqalekisiwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Comment ukuthi do you think it's fair ukuthi bantu badrege the channel, ukuthi the channel ngiyo lenenkinga, or do you think ukuthi maybe it's just a coincidence, it's fate, it's something levele beyitowendeka noma ngabe this couple bengazange iye good defining love. Mina nawe siyibonana kule ngilenshale video. I am signing out. Goodbye.